Hi everyone. In the previous video, I talked about the 11 steps to do email marketing. And in that video, I mentioned about lead magnets. Today, we will discuss about it in more detail. This video will help you understand more about what are lead magnets and how to create them. A lead magnet is something that is offered that can get people to sign up. I'm sure you've seen them when you visit other people's websites. Some sites offer something free, like, a free research report or a gift, and in exchange, you give them your name and email address. After you do that, the lead magnet is then sent to you as promised. Examples of lead magnets are ebooks, research reports, PDFs, how-to videos, podcasts, tools, courses, checklists, etc. Well, your lead magnet must be designed to give a solution to a problem that your target audience is facing. And your target audience must be able to see the value that your lead magnet gives. And the lead magnet must also offer immediate gratification. Lead magnets can help to get results fast, and it is wise to spend time to create a good quality lead magnet. It can be exclusive content that your target audience cannot find anywhere else. It should solve a specific problem. Basically, offer something that people need but cannot get anywhere else. To get ideas, you can look for inspiration from social media, YouTube, and forums. See what people are asking, what they are looking for. You can even survey your target audience to get ideas. Ask what are their frustrations, concerns, and struggles. And when you create your lead magnet, keep it simple. These days, people don't like to read a lot. So give them answers and solutions fast. If you're offering a research report, keep it to 2 to 5 pages long and add images to break up the text, the long lines of text. Break it up. It makes for easier reading. You can also offer infographics, which are very popular. Or if you are an online store, maybe you can offer discounts or free gifts. Most importantly, make sure you include your business contact info on your lead magnet. Sometimes people may pass it along, and it's good for others to be able to reach you. And lastly, don't forget branding. Make sure you show your logo, company name, slogan, etc. These days, when people consider signing up to join your mailing list, they will expect something in return. So do spend time to think of a great lead magnet, one that is attractive and irresistible to your target audience. But don't spend too much time on creating it. Maybe just a few hours is good enough. Maximum, take a day. All right. Do you have any questions about this topic, about what are lead magnets and how to create them? Let me know in the comments below. For more videos about business, marketing, and making money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.